In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in Canva. We'll keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so you can follow along even if you've never made a design before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a sticker design, where to find sticker templates, and how to use elements to build out your own custom stickers. First, open Canva in your browser or on the app, and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main dashboard, look for the button or option that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you want to work on. In the search bar that appears, type in the word stickers. Canva will show you different sticker-related formats and templates, usually with the right dimensions already set up. Choose the option that best fits what you want to make. For example, a simple sticker sheet or a single sticker design. Once you click on it, Canva will open a blank canvas or a template in a new tab. Now that your sticker document is open, let's bring in some graphics. On the left-hand side of the screen, find and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps all its shapes, icons, illustrations, and decorative graphics. After clicking Elements, you'll see a search bar at the top of that panel. In that search bar, type Stickers again. This tells Canva that you're specifically looking for sticker-style graphics. You'll see a big selection of illustrated icons and designs that already have that sticker look, often with thicker outlines or a cutout style. Take a moment to scroll through and explore the options. When you see a sticker element you like, click on it and it will appear on your canvas. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it, and position it where you want it. You can add multiple sticker elements to create a full sheet, or just focus on a single design. You can also customize many of these elements by changing their colors, adding text on top, or combining several graphics together to create something unique. When you're happy with your layout, you're ready to move on to downloading or preparing your file for printing, depending on your needs. And that's the basic process. Create a design, search for stickers, open elements, and search stickers again to find ready-made graphics you can turn into your own custom sticker designs in Canva.